This is your Truma combi heating system. So this is the heater and the hot water. So to operate this unit, you simply push the black button. First one that's flashing is the motorhome with a thermometer, so that's the heater. So then you just, once it's flashing, you push it again. It's currently telling me the heater's off. Then you turn the dial clockwise to your desired temperature. So say if we want it on 24, you've always got to end with a push to set it. You can see it's jumped up on the top line. The second one is the hot water. You've got to turn the dial when it's flashing, push. It's currently telling me the hot water's off. So you've got three settings in here. You've got eco hot water, and boost. So most people will jump between eco and hot, so I'm going to select hot water. The third one along is the source, so this is how you're camping. So we turn the dial when it's flashing. If we're on gas, Freedom Camping, we're going to light it on gas. If we're plugged in at the campsite, we go round to the electric options. Now there's EL1 and EL2. The difference between these two is just the number of kilowatts coming into the motorhome. EL1's less, EL2's high. So most people at campsites will go electric 2, or like I say, gas when you're Freedom Camping. Sorry, we're not plugged in. The fourth one along is the fan. So this is relating to the heater. So when we push on that, we can have the fan speed blowing eco or high. So you'll see on the top line now, you've got that blinking hot water. So basically that will blink away for about 15-20 minutes while that hot water cylinder heats up. So when that stops blinking and becomes a still picture, then you can have your showers and run your hot water. Then to turn everything off is exactly the same process. You push the button. When it's blinking, you push again. This time you go anti-clockwise to turn the heater down, or you go right round to the word off and press to turn it off. So I've turned off the heater. Now I want to turn off my hot water. So you turn the dial when it's flashing, push anti-clockwise to the word off and turn it off. When everything's gone from the top line, you know that everything's off. Now it's most important that everything is turned off on this control panel before you turn everything off on the other control panel. There's another three little settings down the bottom here. The one down in the far right corner is tools. So this is where you can change the brightness of the screen, 24-hour language, all that sort of stuff. You notice I'm pushing this button here. That's a go back to the main screen. The next one along, the little picture of the clock, that's where we can set the clock. So nice and easy to change the time to whatever that is. And then when we go back to the main screen, we've set the clock. And the last one in the corner there is a timer. So you can set the timer for the heating and hot water to come on and off at a certain amount of time each day. This little thing up the top there, that's the thermostat for the heater. So the heater will cut in and out as it reaches that temperature. And that is your heater and hot water, gas or electric.